Reading for kids. In this video, we'll read simple sentences using CVC words and sight words. Starting with the sight word, the. The man has a hat. The man has a hat. The bus is red. The bus is red. The dog ran to the van. The dog ran to the van. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. The fox is in the box. The fox is in the box. Now we'll see the sentences with the sight word has. The lad has a big fat hen. The lad has a big fat hen. Dan has a net. Dan has a net. His dad has a yellow car. His dad has a yellow car. The kid has a big toy. The kid has a big toy. Tom has a hot pot. Tom has a hot pot. For more educational videos, check the links given in the description box. And thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.